Hey everybody, wanted to look at today on ENZC as we always like to do, and you can see here we made our high of the day at 2103, which was actually really nice high of the day, but then you can see we came down into the Bollinger Band and hugged that bottom band pretty tightly until we got about here. Then we started trading horizontally, sideways movement until about a little bit after 12 o'clock. You can see that we did enter oversold on the RSI, but if you look at that slope on that RSI, right, and you see it copied here in the MACD, we started pulling out of it, and sure enough what we did is we hit that red line, which is the 20-day simple moving average, went above it with price, which is always good, and we started moving the Bollinger Band up. And right here, we started really getting pretty bullish about it, and we started hugging the band. Price went down, and look at these lower wicks right there, just basically denying it, just completely saying, that's not going to happen. And that brought us back up to, what was that, 1950 is what I was saying, and then I think we ended the day at 1939. So there's a lot here to be optimistic about for how we came out of that. Tomorrow morning could be more of the same like it was today. For instance, if we just kind of scroll back, you'll see we were really trading sideways there yesterday afternoon, and then opened up, ran to this high here of 2103, and then started coming down. So it'll be interesting to see how we handle that tomorrow. And if we continue hugging the Bollinger Band and pushing it up, which would be great. Some good signals here that I'm pretty happy with. Anyway, so let's jump into the daily. Actually, you know what? I want to jump into the 5-day and just look at this. When you look at this, you really kind of see, here we go, had a deep low, made a high, coming up, making a higher low. That is encouraging to me in the sense that we did not go back to that resistance. And you can see that we don't seem to be looking like we want to go back down. We're marching our way back up. That is encouraging to me. So we have a low, a high, and a higher low, which is a good trend, something we definitely want to see. MACD curving up. Look at that, slow stochastic, just like we've been talking about, going into oversold and then curving up out of it. We've even issued a buy signal on the ADWM, the unbalanced volume looking good. I don't normally talk about the 5-day time range, but I thought this was important. Okay, let's jump out to more of a bird's eye view real fast. We've got the daily. Again, continuing to use the 50 and the 200, that's the green and yellow line there, as support, right? As we said, we did not go back below that black line, which is very important. And slow stochastic, again, has touched oversold, coming out. Let's jump really quickly into the weekly to see for intermediate moves. And sure enough, here we are again touching the green 50-day simple moving average. That is the bottom of the handle. If this were a cup and handle, we are moving up above it. The question has been, is this 20 simple moving average, that red line there, is that acting as resistance? And if so, is this green and red, these two lines that look like they want to meet, are they going to create a pinch? Again, slow stochastic showing momentum clearly coming out of oversold, moving up. And I am still not surprised with anything going on. Would love a green day, but if we continue just inching up above that black line support right there, I think we are making progress. All right, everyone, have a great day.